बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ ए फंक्शन ऑफ ए रैंडम वेरिएबल। इस टॉपिक के तहत इसका कंसेप्ट और फार्मूला देखते हैं। लेट h of capital X be the function of a random variable, then h of x is also random variable and also has an expected value, as any function of a random variable is also a random variable. If x is a discrete random with probability density function f of x, then since h of x takes the value h of xi when we will put x equal xi, the expected value of the function h of x can be calculated by the formula given below. Let us check its formula. Expected value of the function of random variable, that is h of x. Then we will write h e of h of x equal h of x1 multiplied by its probability density function f of x and f of x1 plus h of x2 will be multiplied by f of x2 plus h of x3 multiplied by f of x3 plus so on h of xn multiplied by f of xn. Write this formula in summation form. Summation iota h of xi into f of xi provided the converges absolutely. ये सीरीज को कन्वर्ज करना. Similarly, if x is a continuous random variable with probability density function f of x, then this formula will change in the form expected value of h of x equal integral from infinity to infinity h of xi f of xi dx provided the integral exists. दोनों फार्मूले हमने देख लिए. अब एक पार्टिकुलर केस चेक करते हैं. If h of x equal x square, then expected value of x square equals summation xi square f of x. It is relevant to note that expected value of x square is not the same as expected value of x का whole square. Again, if h of x equal x minus mu का square, where mu is the population mean, then expected value x e of x minus mu का square equals summation I xi minus mu whole square f of x. We call this expected value the variance and denote by variance of x. Other notation is sigma square, that is sigma square equal e of x minus mu whole square, which is equal e of x square minus e of x whole square. ये जो चीज मल्टीपल चॉइस में भी आती है, मल्टीपल चॉइस में भी पूछी जा सकती है. The positive square root of the variance as before is called the standard deviation. Some information, important results which will be very useful in the multiple choice. It is useful to note that important results about variance. Number 1, variance of x cannot be negative. Number 2, variance of a equals 0 where a is constant. Number 3, variance of a into x equal a square variance of x where a is constant. Number 4, variance a into x plus b equal a square variance of x where a and b are constants. More generally, if h of x equal x raised power k where k 1 2 3 so on, then expectation of x raised power k equal summation xi k into f of xi. Similarly, if h of which is we call the kth moment about the origin of the random variable x, kth moment about the origin. We denoted by mu dash k subscript. If h of x equal x minus mu whole power k, k 1, 2, 3, so on, then we get an expected value called the kth moment about the mean of the random variable x, which we denote by mu k. That is mu k equal expectation of x minus mu whole power k equal summation xi minus mu power k f of x. In case of continuous random variable, the summation are replaced by the integrals. The skewness is often measured by gamma 1 equal expected value of x minus mu whole power 3 over sigma q, and kurtosis by beta 2 4 over mu 2 का स्केयर. ये जो चीजें हमने अभी एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ मीन में देखी है, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ रैंडम वेरिएबल में देखी है. अब जरा एक एग्जांपल में देखिए. लेट x have the following probability distribution xi from 1 to 3 4 5 and probability density function क्या है f of xi 0.2 0.3 0.2 0.2. Find the probability function of 3x minus 1 x square and x square plus 2 and find expectation 3x minus 1 expectation of x square plus 2. Probability distribution of random variable h of x 3x minus 1 value x I from 1 to 5 probabilities as we have seen in the earlier table 0.2 0.3 0.2 0.2. Values of 3x minus 1 यानी 3xi minus 1 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 1 उसमें से माइनस कर, तो 3xi इस पूरी रो को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 माइनस कर दें तो ये वाला रिजल्ट, ये वाली रो बन जाएगी. एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ 3x minus 1 equals summation h of xi into f of xi, which is equal to summation 3xi minus 1 into f of xi. तो ये सारी वैल्यूज हमारे पास मौजूद हैं. तो 2 into 0.2, 5 into 0.3, 8 into 0.2, 11 into 0.2, 14 into 0.2. After simplification we will get 7.1. तो ये expected value है 3x minus 1. Probability density, probability distribution of h of x square क्या, तो xi from 1 to 5 f of xi 0.2 0.3 0.2 0.2 0.2 और xi जब स्केयर्स लिए जाए तो ये बन जाए. अब इस में पुट कर दीजिए इस फार्मूले में, तो हमारे पास 8.9 इसका आंसर होगा. लाइकवाइज एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का भी सेम रिजल्ट आएगा, सेम उसी तरह से सॉल्व किया जाएगा. तो ये 10.9 आंसर है. जो अभी आप एग्जांपल मुलाहजा कर रहे हैं 7.4, ये एग्जांपल है कंटिन्यूस वेरिएबल के हवाले से. इंशाल्लाह इसको बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे.